Hey, if your car has a CVT gearbox, there is a repair bill coming that most owners are not ready for. And the scary part, you usually find out after the warranty ends. Mechanics have been warning about this for years, but dealerships rarely explain it clearly. Today I will show you why CVT gearboxes are quietly failing everywhere, what actually breaks inside, and how owners are getting hit with 2 to 4 lakhs bills. Stay till the end because I will tell you exactly who should never buy a CVT car. Let me tell you a real scenario. A car owner buys a smooth, silent automatic. The drive feels perfect. No noise, no jerks. The mileage is good. For the first 2-3 years, everything feels flawless. Then one day, the car hesitates. RPM shoots up, but speed doesn't. A few weeks later, the car refuses to move properly. The service center diagnosis: CVT failure, replacement required. In most cases, CVT gearboxes are not repaired. They are replaced as a full unit, and the cost anywhere between 1.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs, and even sometimes more than the car's resale value. So why does this happen? Unlike normal automatics, CVTs don't use fixed gears. They use a metal belt or a chain running between two variable pulleys. To stay smooth and fuel efficient, the belt is under constant tensions. Heat, friction, load, all acting every single time you accelerate. Over time, that belt stresses, the pulleys wear, and tolerances disappear. And when that happens, the gearbox doesn't fail slowly. It fails suddenly. This is why many independent mechanics say something interesting. They don't hate CVTs because they are bad to drive. They hate them because they are not built to fix easily. A manual clutch can be replaced. A torque converter automatic can be rebuilt. But most CVTs, once damaged, they are done. And here is the part most buyers don't realize. CVT failures start appearing after 40,000 to 80,000 kilometers, which is exactly when warranties expire. And that's not coincidence. That's engineering reality meeting ownership cost. So who should avoid CVT cars completely? If you drive aggressively, if you keep cars long term, if you live in hot climates, if you plan to buy used, a CVT may become your most expensive mistake. This is why manuals and traditional automatics still survive longer. They may feel old school, but they fail predictably, not catastrophically. If you want honest engineering based car advice, not sales talk, then subscribe to this channel because one wrong car decision can cost you years of regrets. Now I want to ask you something. Would you still buy a CVT car knowing the risk, or have you already experienced CVT problems? Comment below. Your experience might save someone else.